Hello everyone, this is Redoy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can escape niche targeted bulk email addresses from Twitter completely free of cost. Depending on your needs, you can use this for run an email campaign or sell affiliate products as well. So without further ado, let me show you the step-by-step process there. So first of all, we have make one special Google search. Let's say site clone twitter.com. As of now, I'm targeting twitter.com and command them please share the information specifically from Twitter. And after that, I'm targeting @gmail.com. You can target msn.com, yahoo.com, outlook.com depending on your needs. And I'm targeting a location as of now London. You can target anywhere whatever you want, and I'm targeting my niche is YouTuber from London. Which people are YouTuber from London, that profile we are looking for actually. So just click on the search and just take a look. 20,000 result is there, and if I show you, you just see yes Mindan from London, email address is there. Rolly West from London, email address is there. So in this first page 100 profile is there. So if I show you the email addresses, Control A for Command F @gmail.com, just take a look. In the first page 87 email is there. So now it's time to collect all the email addresses. So if I collect one by one email addresses, copy and paste it to a spreadsheet, it will take so much time. So for this I am using one email extension. Just I'm showing, just take a new tab and type email extractor. In the first page email extractor, Chrome webstore.google.com email extractor. Just simply click on this. I'm gonna attach the link into the video description for your easy access. Now simply click on add to Chrome. After that click on add extension, and then extension has been added to Chrome. Now simply click on extension list and just click on pin to here so that you can easily use this. So now simply go back to the search result list and just simply reload this page so that extension will work properly. And just simply take a look, 86 email is appearing there. Just simply click on the extension and copy to all and paste it to your spreadsheet, and simply go back to the search result list and scroll it down and click on the next page, and just take a look. In the second page 85 email is appearing there. Just click on this extension and copy to all, paste it to your spreadsheet. Again go back to the search result list and simply scroll it down and click on the next page. Just take a look, 83 email is there. Just simply click on this, copy to all, paste it to your spreadsheet. So some email are not valid, you can keep and remove this from the spreadsheet depending on your needs. So this is the process how you can scrape niche targeted bulk email address from Twitter. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please do like and subscribe to get more content like this. If you have any question, feel free to ask me by commenting below. Have a good day. Bye bye.